Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I come here for one purpose, that is to discuss the latest health trend, which is regarding the mangosteen. Right, mangosteen supplements recently is getting more popular, right or not? Even though in Malaysia, I think in Singapore also, there are lots of brands coming out about the mangosteen health supplements. Okay, so before we start, okay, let's see the mangosteen. Wow, there are so many of mangosteens. So I believe.
Could we dim the light a bit?
Dim the light a bit. Dim.
Front.
The front part. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Somebody please help. Is that okay? Okay, better. Alright, okay, so come back to this picture. So many of mangosteen, I believe most of you have seen this or have even touched it or eat it before. So who never ate this before? Can you raise up your hand? No one. So every one of you have taken this before. So let's see. This fruit is actually like what we know lah. We eat before is in a deep purple color, and the fruit is in white color, and as well as it grows well in Asian countries, especially in Malaysia. I think Singapore, I don't know whether Singapore got land enough to cultivate this kind of mangosteen. I don't think so. So most of the mangosteen that you can get from the market are imported, right? Okay, so that's why mangosteen actually is quite expensive, right? Right or not? Okay, so and the size is like orange. It's almost like orange, and the taste is very nice, right? So this mangosteen has the name the queen of fruits. Like durian is the king of fruit, but queen of fruit is mangosteen. Why? Why we say so? Okay, later on I will discuss why it has this name. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so for those who are sitting here, can I know who like mangosteen? Who like to eat mangosteen? Can you raise up your hand? Wow, everybody, except you only. Okay, so seems like mangosteens is a lot of people fancy with the taste of mangosteens because it is sweet and a bit sour, a bit, okay, a bit sour, but it is very juicy, right? So it is very great to see most of you like mangosteen, and it seems that this topic today, everybody will love it very much because you all love mangosteens, right? So the info today gonna make you feel more interested. Okay, first of all, let us see mangosteen actually why getting started become more popular nowadays. Okay, actually 1,000 years ago, mangosteen is already been used in the herbal remedies in China, in India, in Calcutta. I have been there before. Okay, in Calcutta as well as Philippines, in most of the Asian countries, Malaysia, yes. So a lot of the people who are like a traditional medicine, who they use mangosteen in the herbal remedies. So why they use the mangosteen? Actually, mangosteen has the effect of like anti-inflammation. Anti-inflammation means that, like, okay, for example, we take durian, right? After we take durian, we will always take mangosteen. Why? Why so? Because durian is more heaty for Asian belief. Durian is more heaty, so you need to take something which can cool your body. So mangosteen has the anti-inflammation properties. That's why from the centuries ago, we always ask people to take mangosteen after the durian or any other heaty food. Okay, so besides that, mangosteen also has a property which can help your stomach and intestine health. So this has been practiced by the ancient. By our ancients, ancient last just few thousand years ago. Okay, even Asian also use mangosteen in the herbal remedies for skin health. They go and mix with mangosteen with some herbal and then apply on the skin, the wound, or even if you have an allergy on the skin, if you feel itchiness in anybody, on any part of the body, people which apply the traditional medicine, they also mix with the mangosteen. So mangosteen seems like have a lot of usage. Not only the taste, not only its taste attract a lot of people, but actually mangosteen also has a lot of property, the natural property. Okay, so not only for gastric, not only for diarrhea, which is for the stomach and intestine health, but it's also good for the skin and infections. This is according to our ancient few thousand years ago. Not only this, like what you see here. Okay, so there are this story is just want to tell you all that a lot of the country, especially in Asia, okay, they use a lot of mangosteen in the herbal remedies just to solve the problems. Mostly the problem which is the inflammation problems. Okay, inflammation can be spread around your skin, or it can be spread around your organs in the body, like intestine, like stomach, and as well as the urinary disorder can be solved also by using the mangosteen itself. Okay, this is according to the traditional medicine since 2,000 years ago. All right. So when it comes to this, nowadays scientists start to feel curious. How come the people a few thousand years ago will use mangosteen? Why not use papaya? Why not use durian? Why not use apple? Why they use the mangosteen in the herbal remedies to reduce the inflammation, right or not? So why they use the mangosteen? This makes scientists feel very curious to figure out what is the reason behind the usage. Okay, so there is a botanist. It's a scientist, okay. But it's a scientist who is very expertise in the botanical form, the garden, the plants. Okay, so this Dr. Duke actually is expertise in the botanical farm, or so he do a lot of experience, or he investigate a lot on every plant. Okay, so include the mangosteen. So he found that mangosteen has a lot of properties, like what you can see here. So I will show you later on in more detail, but this is only this slide. I just want to show you that these are the research that has been done by this Dr. Duke. Okay, this Dr. Duke believed that there is something acid in mangosteen. That's why mangosteen lead to so many kind of functions that can help people. Okay, so let's see again. So after Dr. Duke, there are much more scientists coming up to do the research purposely for mangosteen. So not only Dr. Duke find out that mangosteen has a lot of properties, but then mangosteen has been well published that mangosteen itself has a lot of vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and the most important phytonutrient is called xanthan. Okay, well, in fact, mangosteen, the vitamin and mineral that contained in every mangosteen is like what you can see on the slide. It has high in fiber. Okay, mangosteen has a lot of fiber, so when you take mangosteen, actually you won't get constipation problem. This is what scientists have found out before. Okay, like before that, besides that, mangosteen also contain very high vitamin C. Vitamin C, like what we all know, vitamin C is good for what? Flu, yes, definitely. After, like, let's say if you fall sick, or if you feel, if we have a running nose, or if we have a flu, if we have a fever, so normally after we see doctor will prescribe us vitamin C. So why so? Because vitamin C can increase our immune system, can help us recover faster, and prevent us from falling sick again. This is the function of vitamin C. But then not only that, vitamin C has a very good property which every woman like, which is whitening effect. So when you see the skincare product in the market, you may notice that some of the skincare product they stated vitamin C. Okay, then since you have joined the health sharing today, so definitely you are smarter than anyone else outside. So next time when you choose any kind of skincare, make sure you see the vitamin C there. Okay, so that your skin will become fairer than any other else. Okay, so this is the benefit of vitamin C, and mangosteen has very much of vitamin C. Let's see that there are 5.7 milligram of vitamin C per cup. So it's like it shows that, ladies and gentlemen, everyone every day needs 60 milligram of vitamin C. Do you know that? 60 milligram of vitamin C. So if normally when you fall sick, your doctor may prescribe 500 milligram of vitamin C or even maybe 1,000 milligram of vitamin C just to make sure you can recover faster or prevent you from falling sick. But then normal, for those who can come today, I believe you all have are in good health at the moment. Okay, whether it's in a total good health or not, okay, let's see later on. But then, at this moment, if you want to maintain your good health, your current health status, you can take this vitamin C every day. Make sure it's 60 milligram. Okay, like when you can see from this picture, this slide. Okay, one cup of mangosteen is equal to 5.7. So it's about how many? Can you imagine how many mangosteen you have to take every day to reach that amount, 60 milligram. And if you fall sick, you need to eat much more mangosteen to reach the 500 milligram of vitamin C or even 1,000 milligram of vitamin C. So actually it's quite impossible for us to take mangosteen itself, okay, to reach that certain the requirement of vitamin C for our daily health. Okay, this is just one of the info. And not only mangosteen is high in vitamin C, but then mangosteen is very high in folic acid. And folic acid is very important for everyone, of course, but then it's more important for the woman, especially for those who are planning to get a baby. Okay, for those who are planning to get a baby, okay, normally women, normal women, we need 400 milligram of folic acid, 400 milligram of folic acid, okay, but then after if you are planning to get a baby, it's 600, you need 600 milligram. So like what you can see here, okay, maybe so you need much more mangosteen a day, but then it's quite hard lah if you consume every day mangosteen, okay, by yourself, the nature fruits. Okay, so folic acid is very important for the women because folic acid helps us to build the red blood cells, so that you won't have the problem of anemia problem, or if you won't have the neural tube defects babies, okay, because you get enough of the folic acid. Okay, so mangosteen, according to the botanists, the scientists, they find that the mangosteen also very rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium, more phosphorus, magnesium. So I believe calcium, everyone know that what is the benefit of calcium, right? It's good for bone, it's good for the heart to pump better, and potassium is good to regulate our blood pressure. Okay, potassium is very high in banana also. But let's see, why not take banana? Why take mangosteen? There is a comparison later. Okay, so manganese is good to regulate the enzymatic function in our body. Every part in our body, there are cells being metabolized. There is cell doing the metabolism. So they need manganese to keep on doing the metabolism in our body. Okay, phosphorus and magnesium, yes, they are having a similar function as manganese. Okay, so until here, I believe every one of you will feel, wow, mangosteen sounds very scientific, right? Sounds like, before that we just take mangosteen because we like it. We don't take any of the nutrient that is consist in the mangosteen, right? So we just take because for the pleasure. But then today, you know, next time when you take mangosteen, vitamin C will come up from your brain, and then folic acid, and then calcium, potassium, manganese, everything will come up in the brain. Okay, because you are smarter now after you listen to the talk today. Okay. Okay. Next, let's see. The unity of what makes this mangosteen so special compared to other fruits, compared to papaya, compared to apple, compared to orange. The specialty of this mangosteen is it has xanthons. Papaya don't have, banana don't have, apple don't have, orange don't have. Only mangosteen has. That's why you can see nowadays, you can see a lot of supplements which is wholly made by mangosteen itself. Why? Because mangosteen has a very powerful property. This xanthon can help us to prevent aging, can help us to prevent getting the sicknesses like cancers or even the chronic diseases. But then this xanthon, later on I will discuss further detail about what is xanthon about. But then at this moment you have to remember that next time when people ask you why take mangosteen, why not banana, why not other fruits? Because mangosteen is the only fruit contain the most xanthons. Okay, not only this reason, this xanthon, according to the research, actually there are 200 xanthons in the nature. 200 xanthon in nature maybe can find elsewhere in the food. But then mangosteen is the only fruit that contains the most xanthons, about 40 types of the xanthons. Mangosteen has. So we consider mangosteen is the single most xanthon-rich source in the world. So from your face, from your expression in the face, I can see that you are becoming becoming blurred because you don't know what is xanthon about, right? It sounds so scientific. Okay, to make it simple. Make it simple. Okay, welcome. Okay, faster because we are at the middle of the speech. Okay, everybody look at me. Okay, welcome to the newcomers here. Okay, welcome. Okay, so we are talking about the benefits of mangosteen. And the specialty of the mangosteen is it is the only fruits that contain the highest xanthons. So these xanthons, what is so special with xanthon? Okay, xanthons help us to prevent aging. When you take xanthon from mangosteen, you will be getting younger and younger. That means, okay, from what you can see from the picture here, mangosteen has the highest antioxidant fruit. Okay, this antioxidant, one of the antioxidant is called xanthon. Okay, so you may ask, what is the proof to show that mangosteen has the highest antioxidant among other fruits? What is the proof? So scientists has done a research. The method of the research is called the oxygen radical absorbance capacity. This is one of the laboratory tests which help you to see which fruits contain the highest antioxidants. So this test is done by the scientists, yeah? Done by the scientists. And let's see. This is the chart. Okay? Everybody? Remember or not? When we are young, our mother, our father, our teacher told us do what? Told us to make sure eat vegetables and fruits every day. Am I right? Since young, we are told by everyone to take even carrot. My mother, or I think your mother as well, always ask us to make sure take carrot more in the diet. Am I right? So if you think that carrot is good, let's see. The rank for the carrot actually is the lowest compared to other vegetables and fruits. Carrot is good. No doubt, carrot is good because carrots contain antioxidant also, contain a very high beta-carotene, which is good for eye, which is good for brain as well. Okay, vitamin A is very good. But then, if you want to find something which is better than carrot, you see, carrot is good. Which is better than carrot is raspberries. Okay, good. Raspberry is also good. But then if you want to find something better than raspberries, this is blueberries. If you want to find something which is better than berries, you have to find what? Mangosteen. So from this chart is already proof to you that after the measurement with the test, the laboratory test from the scientists, they found that actually mangosteen, even though it grows in Asian countries only, but compared to other fruits in a Western country, mangosteen win. That's why it titled with the queen of fruits. Okay, after the durian king of fruits. Okay, so mangosteen sounds like wow, it's very fantastic because it has the highest antioxidant compared to other fruits. So next time when you want to buy fruits, remember to buy mangosteen. Is it true or not? Later on, I will figure out. I will figure it out to you more. Okay. So let's see. In this test, mangosteen shows that it has 20 to 30 times ability to absorb the free radicals. Antioxidant. So some of you may not understand what is free radicals, right? What is free radicals? Free radicals. Okay, it's okay. Today we are coming to learn. So, what is free radical? Why it is so important for us to eliminate the free radicals? First, nowadays we face a lot of the challenge. We face what kind of challenges we are facing? Okay, not only diseases, not only the pain here, pain there, not only headache, not only insomnia problem, not only stress problem, but then we also face the challenge of lack of money. Okay, so this every challenges in your life actually will make you become older and older in a faster way. So all of this this is because by the free radicals. So the free radical actually it looks like this. Okay, this is free radical. Okay, well, most of us sometimes we feel headache, sometimes we feel hard to sleep, sometimes we feel worry, right? Actually, the culprit is this free radical. And why there are free radicals happen in our body, exist in our body? Why? Because this free radical originally their appearance actually is like this. It's perfect with the electrons are surrounded. Can you see the difference? Any difference compared to these two what you call is molecule? Any different? One is yellow, one is green. No, I'm not asking the color, yeah? Okay, the difference is free radical only contain 7 electrons. Let's spot the difference. Come, I know there is a name very famous. Spot the difference. So, this free radical only contain 7 electrons. But the normal cell, your normal cell, go and find which area of your skin has the smoothest skin. That area contain the cell is the outlook or the appearance of the cell will be like this. Contain the full of the electron, 8 or 16 electrons surrounded this cell. Okay, so now you are almost know what is free radical. So this free radical, why it lost the electron? Why it doesn't appear as perfect as this? Because your radiation, handphone, and your laptop, your TV, or even your microwave, okay, any electrical items which will produce the radiation, will break the original cell. Break until it lost the electron and become like this. Unperfect. Radiation will lead to this free radical. Not only radiation, if your daily diet is not healthy enough, if you like KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut a lot, all of this processed food also will break the original cell, your original healthy cell, and break until like this, become free radical. And this free radical will accumulate in your body from days to days until a certain amount it will break your brain membrane, your skin membrane, your organ membrane, your kidney membrane, or any part of your organ will be broken down by this free radical in certain amount. So I think now everybody is getting clearer what is the root cause for most of the diseases. Actually, most of the diseases is caused by free radical. Okay, so this free radical, now luckily you all attend the sharing today, so we have a way to help you all to fight this free radical. We have a way to help you to eliminate, to get out all of this free radical from your body in a very easy way. No need suffer. Okay, so how? Obviously today we are talking more about the mangosteen. So obviously we are getting the mangosteen to help you also today. So before that, let me give you a clearer picture on why we will have the free radicals in our body. First, not only food, the food, not only because of the processed food, it also contains the preservatives, coloring, flavoring, insecticide, the chemical. Any food which is made chemically will break down your normal cells and become a free radicals. And these free radicals will cause the damage in the cell membrane in your body. Okay, for those who smoke, anyone who smoke here, okay, beware because these cigarettes contain the nicotine. This nicotine also will break the normal cell and make it become the free radicals. And these free radicals will make you to have the lung diseases, the lung cancer, or not, or maybe you won't have the most serious problem. You may have the you may have the running nose problem. You may have the asthma problem. You may have the lack of brain problem because of the free radicals caused by cigarettes. Okay. Not only that, if you have stress in life, or not only stress in life, you may have if you are having a sport, which is a heavy sport, if you jog, not jogging a lot, okay, jogging every day is very good, but then jogging too much every day is not good. Okay, I don't believe people who are sitting here jogging a lot. Maybe it's not enough jogging, I think. Okay, most of the people here are jogging not enough. Okay, so and recently Olympic is this is I think now Olympic is starting, right? Okay, so I think a lot of people are having the awareness to get involved in the sport. So okay, so if for those who are having the sports regularly, it's good. It's a good start. Who like to play golf, or not only golf, you may like to swim. Okay, whatever. You need stamina, right? All of this stamina actually can be increased when your free radicals in a least amount. Is in a least amount. Do you get what I mean? Your stamina can be increased. You know, actually every athlete in the Olympic, every athlete has their own nutritionist or dietitian personally, just to make sure their diet is in a proper, has the proper amount of nutrient which can support their stamina, so that they can win the gold medal. Right or not? So, ladies and gentlemen, actually, okay, if you want to get the stamina like the athletes, like what the athletes have, actually the first thing you have to do is make sure your free radicals reduce first. Reduce all of the free radicals, then only you take all the nutrient vitamin A to Z you can take. But make sure free radicals, get up all the free radicals first. Okay? So free radicals will you will also accumulate the free radicals from sleeping insomnia problems, or even the injuries. If you have the operation, if you just done the operation in the hospital, you may face a lot of free radicals being accumulated in your body as well. Okay, so after that, the free radicals may lead you with some chronic heart diseases, as you may see here, the high blood pressure. Nowadays, we heard a lot of chronic diseases, right, around our friend. We may heard about diabetes, heart diseases, stroke, cancer, arthritis, even the Alzheimer's diseases, Parkinson. Yes, most of these diseases, actually the root cause are free radicals. The free radicals, just now you see that, right? So it's the molecule which contain only 7 electrons. Okay. So the solution for this free radical actually is antioxidants. Once you get the antioxidants enough in your body, then definitely your free radical can be eliminated smoothly also. Okay, so antioxidant, where you can get the antioxidant in kaolin, that is called xanthine. Okay. Oh, before that, you may ask, why take xanthine? Why not others? Okay. First of all, scientists suggest that if you want to live healthily, first of all, you have to get the supplement which is made by the whole fruit. Whole fruits means that not only take the seeds, but then the whole fruits you take it, just like you are taking the papaya, you are taking the food by yourself. You take the whole food, whole fruits. This is one of the way. And not only that, you have to make sure the supplement you can take long term. If the supplement you are not allowed to take long term, that means medicine is not good for your health in long term. Okay, this is the second condition. And the third condition, there are no side effects at all. You can take any kind of supplements to get enough of the antioxidant, but make sure first you have to fulfill the first requirement if you want to live healthily. The first requirement, you have to take the whole fruits or the whole food. And the second requirement is if the supplement allows you to take long term. To take it long term. And the thirdly is there are no side effects. They have already proved that there is no side effect, and it is for your disease prevention. Okay, so the products or the supplements that fulfill all of these requirements actually is called xanthine, our latest kaolin health product. Okay, so this kaolin health product, I think in Singapore around 2 months, right? Around 2 months. Okay, so it is very new. So for your information, next time when you think of what supplements should you take, okay, hold on, think deeper, and let me ask you a few questions before you take any kind of supplements. Okay, so first of all, let us figure out what is xanthine about. Okay, so this xanthine is made from what? Mangosteen. Obviously, it's made from mangosteen. So it's 100% mangosteen, and the ingredient which you can find from every capsule of this xanthine. One box contains 100 capsules, right? One box, 100 capsules. Okay. Every bottle contains 100 capsules, and every capsule contains 100% of mangosteen. So that means you can calculate how many of mangosteen has been used to make one bottle of mangosteen. Okay, let's see. In every capsule of mangosteen, in every capsule of this xanthine contain the nutrient like xanthones. that what I shared to you just now. Xanthone is one of the antioxidant which can help you to remove all the free radicals from your body, so that even you have stress, even you can't sleep, even you have if you have a chronic diseases problem, all of these can be helped by the antioxidant called xanthones. Okay, so this xanthone consists in xanthine, and not only that, xanthine also has other antioxidants, polyphenols, fibers, vitamins, and minerals, which I mentioned just now. Do you remember? Just now I have just shared to you that mangosteen contains high in vitamin C. Remember? High in vitamin C and also high in folic acid, and also has other minerals like calcium, phosphorus, manganese, right or not? And it also contains very high in fiber. Wow, that means one whole fruit, okay? Because xanthine is made from the one whole fruit. From the flesh itself, it also made from the cover of the fruits, which is the pericarp. We call that the pericarp of the mangosteen. And our kaolin xanthine has done a lab test. Okay, this is done. The lab test has been done in Malaysia, Food Science Technology. Okay, so in Mardi, I don't know whether you know about this institute in Malaysia. It's very famous that do the laboratory test in Malaysia. Okay, so this test has shown that mangosteen is very high in antioxidant, right or not? Right. But then the product made from mangosteen not necessarily is also high in antioxidant, right? Because maybe after the process, after has been delivered here and there, maybe the antioxidants also has been damaged a lot, right or not? But then after the test, it shows that even after the process, even after delivered here and there, even from Malaysia to Singapore, so the test has shown that the antioxidant in the xanthine remain strongly. So you can see that when you take xanthine, when you take the mangosteen from the kaolin xanthine, it works because the effect doesn't been affected or been damaged by other reasons, by other factors. Okay, so from what you can see here, xanthine is high in antioxidant. Everyone know, prevent aging, prevent other sicknesses, prevent the free radicals. It prevent the inflammation in your body. Means that inflammation, when you have a joint pain, inflammation. When you have a throat pain, you also have an inflammation. When you have some pimples, also inflammation. When you have the pimples at the back of your body, also inflammation. When you have an ulcer in the mouth, also consider a inflammation. When you have an ulcer in the stomach, or if you have a constipation, or if you have whatever thyroid problems, also is considered an inflammation problem, right? So this inflammation can be helped by the xanthine, which contains a lot of antioxidants, nutrients. Okay, so if you have a skin problem, itchiness, if you found itchiness anywhere in your body, means that you need xanthine, which contains a lot of xanthones, antioxidant that can help you to relieve all of these itchiness feeling. Antifungal, it also helps you to remove the fungal infections, or it also contains the properties of antivirus. Okay, and for those who always fall sick, or those who always, when people around them fall sick, or having flu, or having the fever, if you are the one who are easily being affected or infected by others, then you have to take xanthine, because it can help you to increase the immune system, because it contains high in vitamin C. So next time when when you see doctor, or maybe when you want to go to the pharmacy to prescribe your own vitamin C, remember you have other option. that you can get from xanthin. Okay, xanthin is another option for you if you want to take vitamin C to recover faster from your sicknesses, or you want to get the whitening effect. Yes, because vitamin C, xanthin has vitamin C. Okay, folic acid as well. If you feel that you always feel fainted, not enough blood, or you have just donate the blood, there's sometimes I think blood donation is also quite popular among Singaporeans, right? Am I right? Blood donation, yes. I think few only. Okay. Anyway, in Malaysia, blood donation is very popular. So if you have the chance to donate the blood, okay, definitely you want to build more blood, right? Red blood cells by your own right. After you help the people, you also want to build your own blood. So if you want to build the blood, you need what? Folic acid. You need the nutrient which is called folic acid very much. So then you can think of xanthin. You can think of xanthin. So xanthin, vitamin C, folic acid, the xanthones helps you in so many ways. Not only that, it can help you to prevent the tumor. Sometimes people, when the things haven't happened on them, they may not worry. They may think that, I'm healthy. Cancer, no way. No way will happen on me. So a lot of people may think of that. But then, ladies and gentlemen, if you find that you always have the inflammation in your body, inflammation, I say that just now I have already give a few examples of inflammation, sore throat, or even the joint pain, or even the constipation problem. All of these are considered one of the inflammation problem. So if you regularly having the inflammation problem, so the chances of getting the chronic diseases and the tumor is very high. So you can get the xanthin to prevent all these inflammation problem. Okay, because of the xanthone antioxidant. And this xanthone only can found in mangosteen. Papaya don't have. Banana don't have. Only mangosteen. But then again, another question to me is, oh, mangosteen is so good. Next time I can buy my mangosteen elsewhere. So why take xanthin? Why take xanthin? I can buy my mangosteen elsewhere. In Singapore, I believe there are lots of mangosteen available here, right or not? But then it's quite expensive because are all imported, right? And Singapore not enough land, maybe. So mangosteen are mostly imported. So maybe you can compare the cost. You may find that xanthin from Kallang is the price is much reasonable if compared to the mangosteen outside. Because one bottle already consists 100 capsules of mangosteen, of the xanthin. So every day you just need 2 capsules. So you see that this bottle can last long. Last long how many months? 1 month? 2 months? 1.5 months. Okay, but then if you compare to buy the mangosteen by yourself in the market, you can count how much. It's much expensive. And then again, if you want to get the vitamin C, the folic acid, the xanthone in the certain amount, maybe you have to eat the whole basket of mangosteen. Only you can get enough of the amount of the nutrients that you need to prevent diseases. Okay, so overall, xanthin, for those who always feel tired easily, again, this may be caused by the radiation. If you use handphone a lot, your smartphones you use a lot, or even your laptop, your tablet, if you use a lot, the radiation is there, and when the radiation is there, the free radicals also is there. So free radicals will make you feel tired easily. Don't believe? Never mind. I give you a test. Okay. I don't know whether Singapore got definitely got a general park. Okay. When you go to the park, which is very greenery park. Do you know any park nearby?
masih popular pato pato.
Only those who want to park go park out. But then anyway, not only park, when you go to forest, when you go to the forest, you know, forest or mountain, when the greenery is around you, definitely you will feel fresher, you will feel lighter, you will feel happier, you will breathe easier. Am I right?
Yes.
Or you feel hard to breathe to go to such kind of places? No, definitely everyone will love to go such kind of places because everyone will feel relaxed. Okay, when you relax, because what? Free radicals already disappear from your body. A lot of free radicals come out from your body. That's why you feel lighter. That's why you feel relaxed. That's why you feel happier. So see, you didn't take anything. Just go to the forest, you already feel the effect. What if you take the things from forest, the mangosteen, which contain a lot of antioxidant, like from the forest, then definitely you will feel relaxed, you will feel calmer, you will feel lighter, and even you will feel better, and tiredness, and also the insomnia problem. Because again, xanthine is very high in antioxidant, and when you see the chart, the comparison chart, just now I've just compared, right? Carrot also contains a lot of antioxidant. Carrot is good, but then something which is better than carrot is called what? Mangosteen. So if you are smart enough, definitely you will choose the better one, right? Right or not? If there are people for you to choose, if you are going to choose something which is very important for your life, definitely you will choose the best, right? So mangosteen, from the comparison chart, you will see it even wins among other raspberries or berries or blueberries, strawberries. Our xanthine, which is made from the mangosteen, is better than that. Okay. Okay, alright, so not only that, xanthine also good for those who have the chronic diseases like high blood pressure and heart diseases, high blood cholesterol, if you have the high blood sugar level. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very important. Huh? Somebody may ask me, nowadays I can see a lot of mangosteen supplements in the market, and most of them are in the fluid form, the juice form. So, juice better or capsule better? Juice better or capsule better? Okay. Anyway, I can compare to you and then you choose by yourself. Okay. So actually, when it comes to juice form, now normally juice there are lots of sugar. There are a lot of it. Maybe it's a natural sugar, or it might fruit sugar, or fructose, or glucose, whatever. It is it contains certain amount of sugar form. So for those who have the diabetes problem, who have the high blood sugar level problem, so you have to watch out when you take such kind of juice form. Okay, especially when it tastes so sweet. Okay, and secondly, normally for those who mix it in juice form, it may be contain some preservative, because juice liquid is easier to be damaged, rotten. The juice form or the liquid form or any kind of the supplement which come with the liquid form normally will be get damaged easier compared to other form. So this is the two things you have to consider before you buy the supplements. Okay, so when it comes to the capsule, definitely the sugar is already have been removed out. So when you taste it, it's tasteless or even tastes bitter, because it's all already the mixture of the blend from the mangosteen, even the pericarp, the cover of the fruit is also blended into every capsule of this xanthine. So when it comes to capsule, the sugar content definitely is the least compared to other form of the juice. Okay, and secondly, when it comes to capsule, it lasts longer. Okay, when you place it under the sun, definitely every supplement when you place it under the sun, definitely it will be damaged. It is not good, okay? But then if compared to the juice form, who will last longer? Definitely it's a capsule form, okay? And capsule form is very easy to be bring around for the modern people like you. When you buy a juice form, okay, maybe the first few days, wow, you are very hardworking, drinking it morning, afternoon, and evening. You make sure on time you will drink the mangosteen. But then after a while, maybe you're already lazy to follow the time. But then capsule, you can bring it along everywhere, anytime you can take it. So it's more easier for you to comply this or to practice this supplement into your daily diet. We have to be more practical, right or not? If you want to follow a daily diet or if you want to follow a supplement, you have to get something which is more practical rather than it's more troublesome. Okay, you need to pick, if you are requested to mix with the water, or you may feel the troublesome is there. Okay, because we are working outside. And not only that, this xanthine is a good news for those who are having the chronic diseases for a long time. And long time means that more than 5 years, more than 10 years, and this time you haven't had any improvement from any medicine yet. Okay, you may have a try on this xanthine, because again, xanthine is the only one who have the highest xanthons in it, mangosteen. Okay, so maybe if you having a problem for a very long time, okay, not bad for you to have a try on this xanthine. Maybe the xanthon is the solution for your chronic diseases. Who knows? Who knows? Because every diseases has their own factors. So you may have the xanthon try on your diseases, on the chronic diseases. Okay. So next, when you have the joint pain problem, this joint pain is very famous because even our ancient also suggest the mangosteen to solve your joint pain problem, the arthritis, because of the inflammation. Okay, so xanthine mangosteen contain an anti-inflammatory property which help you to reduce the joint pain, okay, back pain or even the muscular pain. So if you like to play golf, badminton, rugby, swimming, all this sport which involve a lot of the muscle, okay, you may get a xanthine to prevent from the muscle damage, okay, the nerve damage or even the joint damage. Okay, so not only that, if you feel that your stomach are not in good health, if you have a gastric problem, if you have not only gastric, if you have a bloating problem, if you feel hard to digest, or if you don't have enough of the appetite, when you see the food, you don't have appetite, you feel so sad in front of the food, that means you need something called xanthine, okay, to increase your appetite. Okay, so for those who want to get younger, who want to look prettier, who want to have a fairer skin, you can get xanthine as well, because mangosteen contains high vitamin C, like what we see just now. Okay, sounds like xanthine is good. Carrying xanthine is good in a capsule form. It's a better choice. So, do you need xanthine? Before that, ask yourself a few questions. Okay, before you decide. First, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure Singaporeans have a very good sense of health. So every year, I believe you have done your routine checkup, health check. Okay, if you find that your routine checkup normally your triglyceride, the TG or LDL or even the VLDL or cholesterol normally is very high, that means please faster take some antioxidants. Mangosteen will be another choice for you. So you should take it. Because compared to other fruits, mangosteen seems like has the highest antioxidants to reduce the inflammation in your blood circulatory. Okay? So if you don't want the next choice will be like that. If you don't take any antioxidants, but then you still contain a lot of cholesterol in your body, okay, this is what will happen for those who have the high blood cholesterol problem. Okay, normally, this is your blood vessels. In your body, this is your blood vessels. Your blood vessels, when you take a lot of fried food or even not fried food, if you sleep late, the cholesterol will be accumulated in your blood vessels, in the wall, okay, in the blood vessels. And then after some times, the free radicals will make all this kind of cholesterol block and plug up in the blood vessels until you need to do a surgery. Okay, this surgery, I don't know whether anyone else have heard this before. This surgery is you have to get the balloon. I think yes, you heard this before. So you have to make the blood vessel being opened up by a balloon. So this is a balloon which will be used in your blood vessels. Okay, this is the operation. If you don't take care of your blood vessels, if you don't take care of your high blood cholesterol level, there will be a balloon in your blood vessels. Anyone want a balloon in your blood vessel? It does not feel good, okay? Definitely it does not feel good to have something artificial in your body. Okay, so this is, we say bypass. Okay, one of the bypass. Alright, second one. Okay, this is another fact that the cholesterol. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at me first. Normally, when we say cholesterol, right, people would think of the solution will be omega-3. Am I right? Singaporean, I think you all know the goodness of the omega-3. Okay, yes, omega-3 is good to control the cholesterol level. But then from this study, we see that the cholesterol, the KFC, the McDonald's that you take, if you can make sure it is not being oxidized by the free radicals, your stress, your other food, then actually the cholesterol, even high, won't harm you. According to one of the studies. Even you have high cholesterol, but you can still walk. Maybe the free radicals haven't reached that certain huge amount. So if you can control your free radical to the very least amount, the free radical, if you can remove as much as you can, then even you have cholesterol problem, but then it may not be so serious. Okay, so this is one of the studies. So you can take antioxidant from xanthin, the xanthone, mangosteen. It can help you to remove the free radicals so that your cholesterol in your body, you may have a high cholesterol now, won't be deteriorate, won't become serious wound, and it's not a big problem for you according to these studies. Okay, so after taking the xanthin, after taking the mangosteen from the kaolin xanthin, before you may feel that the blood is very thick, the blood is not clean. After taking the xanthin, you can see every red blood cells is so perfectly with the folic acid as well. This is before and after. Okay? So if you feel tired, ladies and gentlemen, I think my talk is just about 1.5 hours. Then if you until now, if you feel tired, maybe your blood circulation is not smooth enough. So it's not smooth enough, that means your blood will be look like this, maybe. But then don't worry. Later on, you can take xanthin every day, 2 capsules. Then your blood circulation will be very smooth, and there are so many red blood cells that can supply you oxygen, so that you won't feel tired so easily. Okay, this is just one of the tips for you. Okay, for those who have the high blood sugar level, okay, this is a very serious case, definitely. Okay, we won't want us to come to such serious case. But then, if you are having high blood sugar level, I am suggesting you to take the mangosteen because of the xanthone antioxidant, highest among other fruits. which can help you to reduce the free radicals, so the sugar will be reduced as well. Okay, so who needs Xanthine? Again, ask yourself, do you have joint pain? When you walk up the stairs, walk down the stairs, do you face any difficulty? If you are facing such difficulties in walking or jogging, joint pain, then you may need Xanthine, because inflammation will be helped by the mangosteen. Okay, mangosteen, which is already being produced by Kelly. Okay, so again, Tiger Woods. For those who want to play golf as smart as Tiger Woods, okay, this is just one of the tips for you. You may get Xanthine, because again, once your inflammation problem goes off, or if you take Xanthine, it can help you to prevent the joint pain. When you don't have joint pain, then you can swing as high as you can, like Tiger Woods. Okay, this is just one of the tips. Okay, for those who like to climb mountain or just jogging or whatever, do any sports, not only for the mountain hiking, you can also any kind of sports activities. For teachers, I know teachers have to stand the whole day, from day to night, to teach. So for those who are not only teachers, salesmen, anyone, waiters, or anyone who need to stand the whole day, their joint is very easy to be infected, or maybe to have the inflammation problems. So Xanthine, again, high antioxidants, which has been shown from the comparison chart. So you can get Xanthine to reduce the inflammation and boost up the stamina as well. Okay, if you have gout problem, gout is also one of the inflammation problem. Gout. Okay, all this has been proved by the scientists. There are so many studies. Okay, so I know nowadays the technology, I believe Singapore has a higher technology, more advanced technology compared to Malaysia. So if you want to know more further detail about the benefit of mangosteen, actually you can search or you can Google the benefit of mangosteen. There are so many studies in the PubMed. PubMed is one of the websites which compile all of the scientific research, okay, from the scientists. Smokers. Okay, for those who don't smoke, concrete. But then for those who don't smoke, also you don't have to be so happy first, because let's say if you are having a family member who are also smoking, then your lung will be as dirty as the smokers. Okay, so again, all this can be prevented, don't worry. I know it's very hard for you to quit smoking. Definitely, it's better if you can quit smoking, quit smoking. But if you can't, at least try something which can help you to reduce the harm from the nicotine. Okay, all of these free radicals can be prevented by everyone, by what? Xanthine. Okay, good. So at least you know today what are the products that you are going to take. Okay, smokers can take Xanthine to reduce the oxidation from cigarettes. Okay, last one. So if you are a very hardworking person, okay, good. But then for those who are so hardworking, normally they are very stressful as well, I believe. So if you are so stressful, if you are having insomnia most of the night, definitely you have to treat yourself better. Okay, treat yourself better, get the Xanthine. Okay, Xanthine for you to relieve, to get the relieveness, so that you can work more effectively, not hard work only. Effectively, that means use a shorter time that can fulfill the task faster. Okay, so radiation, definitely for those who are having radiation risk, like handphone, laptop, tablet, get the Xanthine to protect yourself. If you don't care about yourself, I believe you care about your children much, right? So your children definitely at home now are playing the computer while you are sitting here. So go back and protect your children with Xanthine. Again, Xanthine, mangosteen, definitely. When you say that this is made from mangosteen, I believe your children will get this. This is one of the way for you, for your children to prevent from the oxidation, the radiation damage. Okay. skin. Again, skin, intestine, stomach is also has been proved, has been used. The mangosteen has been used on skin as well as intestine since few thousand years ago by our ancient. Just now the study I already showed that. So mangosteen actually, recently there are so many studies because scientists started to feel that mangosteen, the antioxidant in the mangosteen is so much higher. So that's why they come up with so many kind of supplements. Just don't waste the nature beauty of these mangosteens. Okay, so lastly, you can see that so many vegetables and fruits which are so colorful. So if you want to live healthily, better if you can take more colorful vegetables or fruits every day. That is better for you. Like 5 types of colors. Okay, if you can see every day, like these 5 types, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just choose 5 types of color daily. You can have a good health. Okay, so and xanthan is one of the sources that can help you to get all of these antioxidants, the highest. If you can't commit yourself the 5 types of colors, at least get yourself 2 capsules of xanthan. Okay, mangosteen. Okay, again, this is just now what I have mentioned. Why choose capsule? Why not juice form? Why choose capsule? So I'm sure that you have understand why choose capsule but not juice form. No artificial flavoring, no coloring, no preservatives, and easy to become seal, last longer. Liquid is more easy to be damaged. Okay. Okay. Lastly, let's have a view on few slides which show that xanthan has been launched in Malaysia. It is made from Malaysia. It is a local product. Definitely, it is not imported from US. Okay. Even though it is produced in US, the sources also come out from where? The Asian countries. So better if you want to get a cost-effective products, not necessary to get from all way long from the US or from the Canada. No use. Okay, not necessary. Okay, you have the local fruit products. Why you get so far from so far? So this is from Malaysia. Okay, xanthan from Malaysia. And what you can see, okay, even get the logo. Now in Malaysia, Satu Malaysia is very famous. Okay, it has the logo of Satu Malaysia also. Okay, even in Brunei, the king of Brunei. This is the king of Brunei, I believe, right? Anyone can confirm with me or not? Okay, this is the king of Brunei. Okay, so yes, it is in a newspaper and advertisement. Okay, in the magazine. All right. Okay, so everybody, I think this is the talk of the day, and most importantly, make sure you have to make sure that next time when you are thinking of vitamin C, think of what? Xanthan, the mangosteen. Kaolin mangosteen, named xanthan. When you think of antioxidant, prevent aging, prevent all the inflammation in your body, prevent all the sickness, all the pain, you can think of xanthan. So mangosteen actually is very famous. When you talk about mangosteen, I think Singaporean a lot can talk much with you also. But then why choose capsule form from Kaolin? I have just shown you the benefit of Kaolin capsule. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you very much. That's all. Yes.